Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can download YouTube videos at high quality. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. To do that, you just have to go ahead, open up your YouTube app right over here. Go ahead, search a designated page or designated video that you would like to download. Make sure that you allow the downloading as well. Now once you have found the video, you can tap on this three dot icon given on the right side, and you will find this option of download video right away. When you tap on it, you will have option download quality, which we can see medium and low. Now if you want to download to the full HD, you have to get the YouTube Premium. Now if you have that, you can simply go ahead, tap on the full HD and tap on get premium or tap on download. If you already have a premium, then when you tap on this full HD, you will find download instead of get premium. Tap on download, it will start downloading, and there you go, you will have the highest quality video downloaded. But in case if you do not have, then you have to tap on it either way and tap on get premium, get the premium subscription, and then only you will be able to download it. That is the option. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.